I'm Mandy Dexterous. I'm a DJ, music producer, and I also run Spectrum 360 for Boomtown. We've got a 6-point surround sound set up with Void. First time doing a 360 setup here, and it's sounding great. Always love playing on Void and having Void at the venues.
I'm Tom, I'm a technical director at NSL Productions. We looked after the wrong side of the tracks venue, which is the main stage for Area 404. Also the Spectrum 360, which was a new addition this year. Boomtown, everywhere you go, there's a new thing to look at, and the stage designs are incredible.
I really love the low end that Void gives. It's got really good bass pressure. The designs are really forward thinking and futuristic. It's always just such a good reference and so fun to hear my track on their speakers. I think there is a distinct difference with Void. It's a really high polarity and covers all the frequencies really well.
Generally, all the feedback was really good this year. Yeah, we managed to do very well in terms of noise levels. We didn't cause any issues off site, which was very nice. It allowed us to push the system quite hard at certain points, and yeah, I think a lot of the punters really appreciated that, and the DJs as well.